Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is compel. Compel is a verb that means to make someone do something through authority, strong pressure, necessity, or an inner feeling that is difficult to resist. For example, the court can compel a witness to appear and answer questions even when that person would prefer not to become involved in the case. Concern for the injured cyclist compelled her to stop her car, call for help, and remain nearby until emergency workers arrived at the scene. The restaurant's repeated safety violations compelled health officials to close the kitchen until the owners corrected every problem identified during that week's routine inspection. Synonyms for compel include force, coerce, constrain, and drive. Compel is often used in legal, moral, emotional, and authority contexts, and it emphasizes pressure or necessity strong enough to drive action, not ordinary persuasion. That's compel. One word, stronger English.